Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 10 hacking apps that can turn your smartphone into a powerful tool for penetration testing and network analysis. Quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Use these tools ethically and legally. Ready to unlock your device's full potential? Let's dive right in. Grab your phone and let's get started. First up, let's talk about Termux, a powerful terminal emulator that's changing the way we use our Android devices. Termux isn't just another app, it's a gateway to a full-fledged Linux environment right in your pocket. With Termux, your Android phone transforms into a portable Linux workstation. You get access to the same command line tools and utilities you'd find on a desktop Linux system, all from the convenience of your mobile device. You can install programming languages like Python, Ruby, or Node.js, set up network analysis tools, and even run penetration testing frameworks like Metasploit. Imagine being able to code, test, and hack, all from your phone, wherever you are. Want to host a lightweight web server or experiment with SSH? Termux makes it possible, letting you run servers and connect remotely, just like you would on a traditional computer. It's incredibly flexible, open source, and gives you the freedom to build your own hacking or development toolkit from scratch, tailored to your needs. Plus, the Termux community is massive and active. You'll find countless guides, tutorials, and ready-made scripts online, making it easy to learn and expand your skills, no matter your experience level. Thanks to the power of modern smartphones, Termux runs smoothly and efficiently. You don't have to worry about lag or performance issues, even when running complex tasks. And if you love to personalize your workspace, Termux supports plugins and themes. You can tweak the interface, add new features, and make it truly your own, fitting perfectly into your workflow. Whether you're just starting out in ethical hacking or you're a seasoned pro, Termux is an essential tool for anyone serious about mobile security, coding, or tinkering. But remember, having this kind of power at your fingertips means you need to use it responsibly. Always respect privacy and legal boundaries when experimenting. So, if you're ready to unlock the true potential of your Android device, give Termux a try. It's free, open source, and opens up a whole new world for Android tinkerers and tech enthusiasts alike. Next, Xanti, a complete toolkit for network vulnerability analysis right from your Android. Perform everything from network scanning to advanced man-in-the-middle attacks, all with an intuitive interface. Simulate real-world attacks to see how secure your network really is. Xanti generates detailed reports and recommendations for easy remediation. Some features require root access, so be prepared. Use it ethically. This is a powerful tool for serious mobile security work. If you want desktop-level insights on your phone, Xanti is a must-have. Let's dive into Hackode, a powerful all-in-one suite designed specifically for ethical hackers, cybersecurity enthusiasts, and IT professionals who want to carry their essential tools right in their pocket. Imagine having a mini hacker's toolbox, always accessible on your smartphone, ready to help you tackle security challenges wherever you are. Hackode organizes its wide range of tools into clear categories like reconnaissance, scanning, and security testing. This thoughtful organization makes it incredibly easy to find exactly what you need, whether you're gathering information or testing a network's defenses. The intuitive menu lets you jump between tasks without getting lost in complicated options. With Hackode, you can quickly gather detailed information on domains, servers, and email addresses. Perform WHOIS lookups to see who owns a website, run DNS queries to uncover hidden details, and scan for open ports to identify potential vulnerabilities. All from your phone, no laptop required. The app's interface is designed to be beginner-friendly, offering step-by-step guidance through each process. Even if you're new to cybersecurity, Hackode makes it easy to understand what each tool does and how to use it effectively. While it may not offer the full power and depth of advanced desktop hacking suites, Hackode stands out for its portability and convenience. For quick checks or learning on the move, it's surprisingly effective and reliable. Use Hackode for rapid security assessments, basic penetration testing, or simply to get hands-on experience with cybersecurity tools. It's a great way to practice and build your skills, especially when you're away from your main workstation. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or just curious about cybersecurity, Hackcode is practical, easy to use, and perfect for learning on the go. It's a fantastic entry point for anyone interested in ethical hacking. If you're building a mobile toolkit for IT or security work, Hackcode definitely deserves a spot. It's a must-have app for anyone serious about learning or practicing cybersecurity from their phone. Imagine carrying the legendary power of Kali Linux right in your pocket. Introducing Kali NetHunter, the mobile version of the world's most renowned penetration testing platform. Designed for cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, and tech enthusiasts, NetHunter transforms your smartphone into a portable hacking lab, ready for action wherever you go. It's not just a collection of apps, it's a full-featured penetration testing suite, packed with powerful tools like Metasploit for exploiting vulnerabilities, Nmap for network scanning, and AirCrack NG for wireless security testing. All these tools, once limited to desktops and laptops, are now accessible from the palm of your hand. With NetHunter, you can run advanced wireless attacks, perform USB HID attacks to emulate keyboards, and execute custom scripts tailored to your needs, all directly from your phone. This means you can test network security, audit Wi-Fi, and automate tasks on the go without needing bulky hardware. While NetHunter is incredibly powerful, it's best suited for advanced users and typically requires a rooted Android device for full functionality. Rooting unlocks deeper system access, allowing you to leverage the full range of NetHunter's capabilities and customize your mobile hacking environment. The NetHunter community is massive and active, offering a wealth of support, tutorials, and add-ons. Whether you're troubleshooting, looking for new modules, or sharing your own discoveries, you'll find plenty of resources and like-minded individuals to help you grow your skills. The interface is intuitive and slick, featuring customizable dashboards for quick access to your favorite tools and scripts. Navigation is smooth, making it easy to launch attacks, monitor results, and manage your workflow efficiently. If you crave desktop-level hacking capabilities on your mobile device, NetHunter delivers an experience that's as close as it gets. You can seamlessly switch between your phone and laptop, keeping your toolkit consistent and powerful wherever you are. Take your cybersecurity skills to the next level with this powerhouse app. Kali NetHunter puts professional-grade hacking tools right at your fingertips, empowering you to learn, experiment, and secure the digital world, all from your smartphone. Meet DroidSheep, a powerful, controversial app for intercepting unencrypted web sessions over Wi-Fi. It's perfect for demonstrating the risks of unsecured networks and the importance of HTTPS. Setup is simple, but requires root access. Connect to Wi-Fi, start the app, and watch it capture session data in real time. The interface shows exactly which sessions are vulnerable. Only use DroidSheep on networks you own or have permission to test. As a demo tool, it's eye-opening and drives home the need for strong encryption. For network security awareness, DroidSheep is a must-try. Next, CSploit, the most complete IT security toolkit for Android. Map networks, scan for vulnerabilities, and even run exploits, all from your phone. Real-time feedback and instant results make it perfect for on-the-go testing. Save scan results, export reports, and automate tasks with custom scripts. Some features require root, but the power is worth it. CSploit rivals desktop solutions in versatility and depth. If you want a true all-in-one toolkit, CSploit is essential. Level up your mobile security game with this app. Wi-Fi Kill lets you monitor and control devices on your Wi-Fi network. See who's connected, cut off internet access to any device, and optimize your network's performance. Great for managing home or small office networks and keeping unauthorized users out. Real-time data usage stats and a clean interface make it easy to use. Parents can manage kids' screen time or secure their connection. Root access is usually required. Use only on networks you own. Simple, powerful, and effective for Wi-Fi management. Always respect privacy and use responsibly. Number 8 is Nmap, The legendary network scanner, now on mobile. Scan local networks, find devices, open ports, and potential vulnerabilities. The mobile interface is streamlined for quick, on-the-go scans. Customized scans for deep dives or quick sweeps. Lightweight and integrates with tools like Termux for advanced testing. Every ethical hacker should have Nmap on their device. Reliable, respected, and highly effective. Ninth is Fing, a fast, user-friendly network scanner. Instantly see all devices on your Wi-Fi, with detailed info on each. Scan your network in seconds and troubleshoot connectivity issues. No root required, making it accessible for everyone. Great for beginners and advanced users alike. Diagnose problems, track bandwidth hogs, or just stay informed. Fing is fast, reliable, and super easy to use. Last up, AndroRat, Android Remote Administration Tool. Remotely access and control Android devices for security testing and administration. Only use AndroRat on your own devices or with explicit permission. View contacts, call logs, messages, and even use the camera or mic. Setup involves a server on your computer and a client on the target device. Open source and adaptable, it's a great learning tool for security researchers. Never use it without consent, it's illegal and unethical. AndroRat shows just how important mobile security really is. That's our list of the top 10 hacking apps to supercharge your phone for cybersecurity. Remember, use these tools ethically and only on systems you own or have permission to test. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know which app impressed you most. Stay tuned for my next video on the latest in smartphone security. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.